Today we are off to Barashat for a very special vlog day. We're going to be visiting a much hyped Baba Ka Dhaba, which we've heard a lot from a long time, as well as visit Star Mall. We've heard there's this place called the Waffle Witch, which is serving dessert as well as savory waffles. So very excited to have the Food Spa vlog team as well joining me today. So let's see how it goes. Guys, the wait is finally over. I am right outside Baba Ka Dhaba. Very excited to enter this place and see what the hype is all about and how the food is also. That's very important. So let's quickly get inside. Alright guys, so we are finally settled in at Baba Ka Dhaba and we have the menu of the place. You've already seen the ambience, so let's move over to the menu. So one thing which I notice in the menu is the fact that it's extremely reasonable. So you get a full tandoori chicken for 300 rupees only, which is unthinkable in Kolkata. You have tangri tandoor. I'm assuming these are the tangri kebabs. Must be 4 pieces, I'll find out once. Then you have the other chicken as well as mutton kebabs over here. There's a segregation over here. Moving to the main courses, you have the vegetarian main courses first. You have the tadkas, the chicken gravies, a lot of chicken items over here. Then you have your mutton, you have your biryani and your chops over here. Chicken biryani is at 170. You have different types of rices and pulaus. Assorted rotias are also here, different types of naans, kulchas and parathes, salads and your beverages. So we have the squad for the day. We have Arpita.
Hi.
Orgo. Gangotri.
Hi.
As well as Jasmine. So that's the squad for the day. Another important announcement is Orgo is receiving his Food Spa vlog moderator's badge. Congratulations, Orgo. And that's yours. Thank you. Much deserved. We have the first item of the day. We were very hungry, so we couldn't wait for the food to arrive. So we ordered a cup of coffee. Let's taste this. It's pretty good. It's very creamy. I did not expect the coffee to be this good. So it's a pretty good start. Next up, we have the very special lassi. It has a lot of malai, cherry, raisins as well as cashews on top. So let's drink this. It's slightly salty and a little dilute than what I thought, but the presentation is pretty good. On a summer day, if you're trying a drink, you should definitely give this one a try. We have finally the first starter of the day after waiting for around 50 minutes. So we have an achari paneer tikka. This is what it looks like. 6 pieces of the tikka. Just break one open on camera. That's my bite. It has a very strong achari essence in it. The paneer is also pretty soft. If you want to try out some of the vegetarian items because they don't have much beyond chicken, you can definitely give this one a try. So we have the next kebab over here, which is a very hot plate of Multani kebab. This has been specially recommended by the owners, so I have to try it. It's got a smoky essence. It's very soft. It's marinated very well. Yes, they're taking a lot of time to make the food, but it's very good, very unique. খুবই ভালো. Alright, so this is my portion of the chicken, tandoori chicken. The size is pretty small, that's one thing there. But let's take a bite. What I can tell you, it's marinated pretty well. Also, there's a good amount of masala there. Just one thing is that the size of the chicken is a little small. That's something you can expect because the price is pretty reasonable at 300. So you'll not be able to cut it into more than 4 pieces. So that's something you need to bear in mind when you're placing an order over here. Gangotri, Orgo, what's your view so far?
খুবই ভালো আমার খুব ভালো লেগেছে স্পেশালি এই কাবাবটা নরম
Arpita, what do you have to say about the wait time and the eventual food?
অনেকক্ষণ ওয়েট করতে হলো বাট আই থিংক ইটস ওয়ার্থ বিকজ দ্য ফুড ইজ রিয়েলি গুড
Absolutely. This is the mutton biryani. There is also an aloo. Chalo. We'll start with the mutton piece. It's not very soft, but it's not hard at all. The essence of rose water is slightly more. I would have liked it to be less. But overall, the biryani is moist. It's not very dry. The meat, there is enough meat for you to complete this biryani, and the aloo is also soft. So this is something you can order. At a dhaba, biryani is never something which is recommended to you. There are loads of other tandoor options. But if you're a fan of biryani and if you want to give it a try, this is pretty decent. It's something which you won't regret ordering. So we have finally the main courses over here. I think I've over ordered over here. So we have your tandoori aloo paratha. This is the tandoori lacha paratha. This is the mutton pasinda. This is your chicken lababdar. This thing over here is your tadka, chicken anda tadka. We have some butter naans over here. And we have some masala kulchas over here. I think it's very safe to say that I've over ordered. I'm going to take one of each from here. Let's start with your mutton pasinda. 8 holo piece toma dish. I think it's shredded. Let's take a little bit of your chicken lababdar with some super smooth gravy. Tadka is a must at any dhaba. So this is my portion of tadka. Let's start. I think what we'll do is we'll get back to our table and we'll eat it with everyone else. Let's just pause. Alright guys, so we are back with everyone else. Let's quickly get tasting. So this is their special tandoori lacha paratha which they mentioned. So let me have it with your chicken tadka. Pretty impressive. Next up, I'm trying the butter naan. Let's try it with your chicken pasinda. The gravy is very good. The chicken is very soft, well cooked, well marinated. It's gone inside. It tastes really nice. Very well cooked. Very impressed. This is your aloo paratha. It's not like your normal aloo paratha. It's pretty thick. So So that's one disappointment. I'll have it with the mutton pasinda. Preparation is good. Although the aloo paratha is very thick, what it is soft. So no complaints there. The taste is pretty good. It's pretty soft. So I'm pleasantly surprised. It doesn't look very impressive, but it tastes pretty good. Finally, the masala kulcha. Gangotri has no chill. So this is my final bite. Overall, even the main course is very impressive, but the starters are amazing at this place. They are taking a lot of time to make the food, but they're sure compensating it with the quality of the food. Thank you. So this is our dish. Alright guys, we now have the owners of Baba Ka Dhaba, Obrijit as well as Roshni. Hi guys, welcome to Food Spa. একটু তোমাদের এক্সপিরিয়েন্স বলো, কবে স্টার্ট করেছিলে তোমরা, কিরম ভাবে এই কনসেপ্টটা আসলো মাথায় তোমাদের?
It opened last year, 19th September. So it's almost 1 year, 1 month.
What are the obstacles you faced till now?
Obstacles? No such obstacles. The main obstacle was coronavirus. It
So
just
how has that
came.
affected you guys?
Like আমাদের তো খোলার সাথে সাথে ব্যাপারটা হলো within 6 months I suppose.
আমরা ঘুরে ঘুরে খেতে আমরাও খুব পছন্দ করি, তো আমাদের ইচ্ছা ছিল যে একদম ধাবা স্টাইলের, ধাবা তো অনেক খুলেছে, বাট একদম প্রপার ধাবা স্টাইলের ধাবা করার মতো, তো সেই জন্য আমরা খাটিয়াটা মেনলি এর মধ্যে অ্যাট্রাকশন হিসাবে রেখেছি।
Very nice experience we are having. Like শুধু locals বলে না, অনেক দূর দূর থেকে people come here. Like every Saturday, Sunday they come and visit our place. Come on Saturday and Sunday, we'll get the crowd. Like,
That's insane. Thank you so much guys for talking to us for a bit about your place. We had a really good time. Your food was very good. Definitely একটু waiting time টা বেশি আছে, but once the food which is coming is so good, then I think it increases the patience level of people by that much. We congratulate you for a lovely venture and we wish you all the best. Cheers.
thank you.
Right guys, so that was our experience at Baba Ka Dhaba. It was pretty good. It exceeded our expectations. But now we did not finish our dessert, so we are here at Star Mall and we're going to be trying out some waffles, desserts as well as savory. So let's get inside. Come on. Thank you. Alright, so this is a Thousand Island chicken waffle dish. This is a hot cup of cardamom tea. So final waffle which we have today over here is a tandoori chicken waffle. Once again, it's a sandwich. Let's break this open first. So it's very well dressed. Although I would have liked the waffles to be more crispy, that's one thing which is consistent with all. But you have a lot of these different flavors over here. So this is my last bite. So if you are a fan of waffles, different flavors, savory waffles to be precise, this is your location. This is at Star Mall, Barashat, 2nd floor. You can try out a host of different types of waffles, juices, softies, coffees, as well as some desserts. Cheers.
That was Food Spa at Barashat. If you're enjoying our videos, please do share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, it's a wrap. Cheers.
পাশে আসছিস কেন? মাইক আছে তো, তোকে তো বললাম এখানে দাঁড়া, আর একটু পাশে চলে আয়। ঠিক আছে, রেডি? মাস্ক মাস্ক মেনুতে জানিস কিরকম করে করতে হবে, একদম পাশে এসে। হ্যাঁ, সো বাবা কা ধাবা which is at Shetpukur, Barashat as well as Kolkata. Oh, sorry. Shetpukur, Barashat which is in Kolkata. 124.
কলকাতার বলতে হবে